Hello everyone. This is Daisy from AI Learners. AI Learners, today's topic is LeonardoAI. Please subscribe AI Learners YouTube channel and then press the bell icon for all new updates. LeonardoAI is a powerful AI-driven image generation platform that launched in 2023, offering advanced text-to-image capabilities. LeonardoAI Unique Image Training. Users can upload reference images to train custom models, allowing for consistent style and character generation. Fast generation speed. Produces high-quality images significantly faster than many competitors. Advanced control features. Offers in-painting, out-painting, and precise prompting controls for detailed image manipulation. LeonardoAI resolution options. Supports multiple aspect ratios and resolutions up to 1024 or 1024, multi-model support. Features. Various built-in models optimized for different styles: anime, photorealistic, artistic. API integration. Provides developer access through well-documented APIs. LeonardoAI subscription model. Offers free tier with basic features and paid tiers with increased generation limits. Token system. Uses a credit-based system for image generation. Enterprise solutions. Available for businesses requiring higher volume generation. LeonardoAI learning curve. Custom model training requires understanding of specific prompting techniques. Generation limits. Free tier has restricted daily image generation allowance. Resource intensive. High-quality generations require substantial token usage. A versatile platform, particularly suited for professional creators and businesses needing consistent, high-quality AI image generation with custom style control. Thanks for watching. Hopefully stay with us, like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye.